The intention really is to just to do a good work. I think all of us are so passionate about our work, that is to grow, to learn, and maybe somewhere along the way the success happens. And let's go through this journey all together. And now let's get started to solve the problem on the screen. So we have to evaluate double integral of x square plus y square dx dy over the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So here in the solution it is given that it is bounded by ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So y square by b square can be written as, if I take a square as LCM, this will be a square minus x square. So y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. So y will be plus or minus b by a times of root a square minus x square. So if I want the x limits, I have to put y is equal to 0. So this will be x square by a square is equal to 1. So x square is equal to a square and x is equal to plus or minus a. So I got the values of y limits as y varies from this is minus b by a root over a square minus x square to plus b by a root over a square minus x square, and x varies from this is minus a to this one is plus a. So here are the limits. And what is the diagram for this? So here the diagram is nothing but, so this is an ellipse. As you know that this is an ellipse, this is origin 0, 0, and this is plus a and this is minus a. So this point will be a comma 0 and this point will be minus a comma 0, and this is origin and this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and you can guess that this is the region R. So this is the whole region R. So evaluate double integral of x square plus y square dx dy over the area bounded by the ellipse. So this is the ellipse and these are the limits, and now we have to find out the area. So our double integral of x square plus y square, now we have to start with double integral of this is x square plus y square dx dy. Now what are our limits here? So limits just now I have shown you, that is x varies from. So x is equal to varies from minus a to plus a, and y varies from minus b by a root over, that is a square minus x square, and y from b by a to root over a square minus x square, and in between it is x square plus y square into dx into dy. First of all I am going to integrate with respect to y. So that is, so I have told you so many times, this is the origin, this is plus 2 and this is minus 2. Instead of calculating from minus 2 to plus 2, I am going to calculate 2 times of 0 to 2. So this is 0 to 2. Instead of calculating from minus 2 to plus 2, I am calculating 2 times of 0 to 2. So that is what I want to do here, that is 2 into, that is 2 times into, so this is minus a to plus a, and this is 0 to b by a root over a square minus x square, and now so this will be x square plus y square dx dy. Now I am going to calculate, integrate with respect to, so that is with respect to this one minus a to plus a, and this one it is x square. So this is x square, and integral dy is nothing but y between the limits 0 to b by a root over a square minus x square plus, and this will be for integration of y square will be y cube by 3 between the limits 0 to this is b by a root over a square minus x square of dx. Now I have to substitute all the limits here. So this will be, see, this will be, this is 2 times of, this is minus a to plus a, this is integral. Now this is x square. If I substitute, this will be b by a root over a square minus x square. So this is b by a root over a square minus x square whole cube by 3 of dx. So this will be, see, 2 times of minus a to plus a, this is x square, this is b by a root over a square minus x square of dx, and this will be b cube by, this is a cube, and this is a square minus x square. So root for 3 times, this will be 3 by 2 cube times by 3 into dx. So now I have to integrate individually. So this is 2 into 2 times of 0 to a, this is b by a x square root over a square minus x square dx, plus, and this will be again 2 into 2 times of 0 to a, this is b cube by 3a cube into a square minus x square par 3 by 2 into dx. Now what is the substitution here? So we have to make a certain substitutions, that, see, I'm telling you, we have to put x is equal to a sin theta. So then dx will be a cos theta. Now what will be the roots? If I keep x is equal to 0, then it will be sin theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0 again. So if I keep x is equal to a by a, this is 1, and sin, in sin, when we'll get 1? At 90 degrees. So the whole thing changes now. So this will be 4 times of, the limits will change. This is from 0 to pi by 2. So this is b by a. What is x square? X square is nothing but a sin theta whole square. This is root over a square minus x square. This is a square sin square theta, and dx. Dx is nothing but a into cos theta into d theta. And here if you observe, this will be plus 4 times of 0 to pi by 2. This is b cube by 3a cube. This is a square minus x square is nothing but a square sin square theta whole power 3 by 2, and dx is nothing but a cos theta into d theta. Now I have to calculate all these. So this will be 4 times of integral 0 to pi by 2. This is b by a. This is a square sin square theta, and this is nothing but a cos theta, and this is also a cos theta into d theta, plus this is 4 times of 0 to pi by 2. This is b cube by 3a cube. So this will be a square cos square theta whole power 3 by 2 into a cos theta into d theta. So now I can easily cancel the square. And what remains next? So observe carefully. So this will be 4 times of integral 0 to pi by 2. This is b by a square a. So this is a square a, and this will be a power 4. This is a sin square theta into cos square theta into d theta, plus this is 4 times of 0 to pi by 2, and this will be a cube a power 4. So this is b cube a power 4 by 3 into a cube, and this will be, see here, this square also will cancel, and this will be cos cube power 1. So this will be cos power 4 theta into d theta. Now if you see, that is 4 times of 0 to pi by 2. If I cancel this for one time, this will be cube. So this will be b a cube. This is a sin square theta into cos square theta into d theta, plus 4 times of 0 to pi by 2, and if I cancel this for 3 times, 1 remains here. Then this will be b cube a by 3. This will be cos power 4 theta into d theta. Now, so we have to solve this. So this will be 4 b a cube integral 0 to pi by 2. This is the sine square theta. This will be cos square theta into d theta. And now this is 4 b cube a by 3 integral 0 to pi by 2. And this is cos per 4 theta into d theta. Now this will be 4 b a cube. So there is a formula here. So we have to repeatedly take all the odd numbers from the numerator. So the next odd number will be 2 minus 3. So we shouldn't get negative, we shouldn't get 0. Until then we have to take. So we have to add up these two, m plus n. So this is 4 and we have to take all the even numbers here. So the next even number is 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So we have to stop into pi by 2. So this is the formula, and this is 4 b cube a by 3, and this formula is from the numerator we have to take all the odd numbers. So the next odd number will be 5. 4 minus 5, this will be minus 1. So negative shouldn't come and 0 shouldn't come. Until then you have to keep on taking all the odd numbers, and in the denominator we have to take all the even numbers. So the next number is 4. So after 2 the next number is 4. We'll get 0. So we have to stop and write pi by 2. So this is the answer, that is 4b a cube, and this is 1 into 1 by 4 into 2 into this one is pi by 2. This is 4b cube a by 3. This is 3 into 1 by 4 into 2 into this one is pi by 2. Now I have to cancel all these values. So which value have to cancel? So if I cancel all these in between, so I can take this pi by 4 common. So this pi by 4 common and ab common. If I take certain things as common, see here, if I take what I have to take common. So let me cancel this one. So this is 4 and this is 4, and here it is 4 and it is 4, and 3 I got cancelled. And what remains here, this is b a cube, this is pi by 4 plus b cube a, and this is pi by 4. So if I take pi by 4 as common and ab as common, this will be a square plus b square. Therefore our integral, so double integral of this is x square plus y square into dx dy value is nothing but pi by 4 times into ab into a square plus b square, and this is how we have to solve. And later there is one more important question here. So that one, so we have to find the double integral, we have to evaluate. See here, we have to evaluate double integral of y dx dy, where r is the domain bounded by x-axis and the curve y is equal to x square and the line x plus y is equal to 2. So initially we have the curve y is equal to x square. So and the next one is x plus y is equal to 2. So the y value here is 2 minus x and the y value here is y minus x square. Therefore I'll write here y varies from, so from which value it varies? So it varies from y is equal to x square to y is equal to 2 minus x. And what about this one, x value? So if I keep x is equal to 1, so if I keep x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. If I keep x is equal to 1, and this will be 0, therefore x varies from, this is 0 to 1. After getting all the limits, so how I have to draw this one? So this is the graph, and y is equal to x square graph will be like this. Y is equal to x square. And what are the points for this? So here if you observe that, so x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. See here, y is equal to x square, and here x plus y is equal to 2. So in order to satisfy this, so 1 comma 1 is the point, and later, so this is the point, and later, so y is equal to how much it is? So y is equal to, so if I keep x is equal to 0, this will be 2, and the point of b is 0 comma 2. If I keep x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 I got, and in order to satisfy this equation, so I have to keep x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Like that we have to think. And see here, so this is the point 0, and this is 1 and this is 2, and here if you observe, so this is also 1, and here if I join this line like this, see here, so this point, the B point here is 0, 2. So this is 0, 2, and A point here is 1, 1, and this is the origin 0, 0, and this equation is x is equal to 0, and this line is x plus y is equal to 2, and this is x-axis, and this point is nothing but 1, 0, 1, 0. Keep some B like that. So this is some B dash like that. And what is our region? So the region is R. So this is the region which we are going to calculate in this region. So this is the figure and this is the diagram. So we have to make a double integral of y dx dy. So what are the limits here? So y varies from x square. See here, from x square to 2 minus x, and x varies from 0 to 1. So now first of all I'll integrate with respect to y. So this is 0 to 1, and for y integration is y square by 2. Between the limits, this is x square and this is 2 minus x of dx. I have to substitute the limits here. So this will be 0 to 1. If I substitute, this is 2 minus x whole square by 2 minus this is x square whole square by 2 of dx. So now I have to integrate this one, 0 to 2. So this is 2 minus x whole square by 2, and this is x power 4 by 2 of dx. So this will be, if I take half common, 0 to 2, this is 2 minus x whole square minus x power 4 into dx. So now what is our integration for 2 minus x whole square? So this is for 2 minus x. So this is nothing but this is half times of. So now I have to integrate this is 2 minus x whole cube by 3, and this is x power 5 by 5. Between the limits, this is 0 to 1. Now I have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So this will be half times of, if I substitute the upper limit, this is 2 minus 1 whole cube by 3 minus, if I substitute the lower limit, 2 minus 0 whole cube by 3, and this one is half. So this is upper limit. So here if you observe, the integration here for 2 minus x whole square is 2 minus x whole cube by 3, and for again minus x, this will be minus. So here it is minus, and minus of minus, this is plus, and this is how we have to solve. So this is 1 by 2 times of 2 minus 1 whole cube, this is minus 1 by 3, and 2 cube, so this is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 5. This is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 5, and if you observe this one, so 1 by 2 times of this is 7 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So this will be, if I take 15 as LCM, so this will be 35 minus this is 3. So this is half times of 32 by 15, so which is equal to, so if I cancel this for 16 times, then the answer here is 16 by 15. So which is nothing but the double integral of y dx dy. Therefore we got the double integral of y dx dy value as 16 by 15. So this is the final value, and this is how we have to find using the given data. So using the given curve. So this is how we have to solve. So the smart habits will bring you a great impact on your studies. Stop being very casual and practice daily. And I'll be back very soon. Until then, stay connected. If you really like, you know what to do. Please pass it on to your friends.